Hi everyone. I wanted to give a review on the Sony SS B3000 bookshelf speaker. Recently purchased at a thrift store and wasn't sure how good they were, but got them home and plugged them in, and they're not a bad sounding speaker. They're about 120 watts RMS at 8 ohms. I believe you can get 50 to 50,000 hertz through them. They're a passive speaker. The only crossover they have in it is a couple filter caps on the mid-range and the tweeter. The driver's getting all the frequency, but it doesn't sound bad. It really doesn't. I really like them. They're about 10 inches wide, 11 inches deep, about 20 inches high. I think they'd be really good in a home theater system. Maybe pair them up with the Sony SS B1000s, which is the two-way speaker version of the same speaker, basically. Same tweeter in it, and it's a 6-inch driver instead of 8-inch. Really like them. So I'm going to play a little music through them so you can hear it. And I know you won't be able to tell much through this camera, but we'll see. Well, that's the SS B3000. I think if you can find them at a cheap price somewhere, go ahead and pick them up. They'd be good in a home theater system or for a small room, something like that. Thanks for watching the video, and you have a good night. Thank you. Bye.